Here's the expert job search strategy that can help you showcase your skills effectively. It's called the STAR method, STAR. Situation, task, action, result. This structured approach can help you provide specific examples and paint a picture for your interviewer, making you more memorable. It also ensures that you don't ramble or miss any key points. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, take the time to prepare ahead of time. Pick a few behavioral interview questions and jot down a few possible STAR responses. By preparing and using the STAR method, you can impress your interviewer and land your dream job.